What if you could create extraordinary and intricate geometric patterns without complicated designer software? OmniGeometry was specifically created for designing sacred geometry, making it easier, faster, and better than ever before. Its clean, simple, and easy-to-use interface enables you to effortlessly and intuitively draw sacred geometry. Our software contains over 40 different parameters that let you instantly and effortlessly customize the geometric design you are envisioning. Unleash your creative genius, free from any technical limitations. OmniGeometry is perfect for creating beautiful designs for a wide range of purposes. And with our animation and tracing features, you will easily create mesmerizing and dynamic geometric patterns to go along with music for a captivating visual effect. Whether it is for fun or for your designer-based business, now you too can unleash the sacred geometry artist within you through our one-of-a-kind interactive software, OmniGeometry.